Guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, August 4th, we are going to be unveiling the daily Cipher Morse code for today. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. I shall know that you are going to click on the daily Cipher button right here. Once you click on it, so our first word for today is S, which is dash dash dash, dot 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 rather, then followed by I, which is dot dot, then followed by G, which is dash dash dot, then followed by N, which is dash dot, then followed by E, which is dot, then followed by R, which is dot dash dot. I shall know that we have cracked this daily code and we are now a detective. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.